Hi viewers, so it's official. Cryptocurrency has completely disrupted the financial services industry and blockchain technology is starting to enter every major industry and service that there is. I'm joined today by Popo Chen, the CEO and visionary behind COBINHOOD, the latest cryptocurrency exchange to enter the game and the first to offer genuinely zero fee trading. Wow, surely this is a game changer. Popo, thanks for joining us this morning.
Hi everyone, nice to meet you guys.
It's a pleasure to have you, and we're looking forward to understanding more about COBINHOOD. So listen, what's the history behind COBINHOOD? When was your eureka moment when you knew that you had to found it?
Okay, let me do a short introduction of myself first. I'm Popo Chen. I'm a serial entrepreneur, and I have successfully exited 3 companies. The last company I exited is a live streaming business and sold to a Singapore Pactor Group, which is now having 5 million daily active users, and valuation is around 200 million US dollars. And after I exited my last company, I started to do investments and portfolio management. And then cryptocurrency got my attention, and I became a daily trader last year. As I traded among different exchanges, I always feel frustrated. The platform quality of services are very bad. High trading latency, difficult account applications, and poor customer service. And the high fees. Every month when I review my return on investment, I see I pay 25% of all my margins as the fees. I feel I'm robbed by those exchanges, and I don't think the platforms providing such low quality of service deserve such a high fee. So I was inspired to make a zero fee exchange with the vision to provide the ultimate trading experience for traders all around the globe.
Wow, fantastic. So listen, we're going to talk a little bit more about the zero fee model shortly, but I also wanted to ask you a little bit more about the strong team that you've got behind you. If you have a look at the website and some of the other YouTube videos you've put out there, we see that Tony Scott is involved. How helpful has that been? And can you explain a bit more about who Tony Scott is and how you forged a relationship?
Okay, so Tony Scott is former CIO, Chief Information Officer of the White House. And Tony has been a CIO of many large industrial companies like Disneyland and a lot more different fields. So he is very senior on this field. And life is full of coincidence. Our PR team contacted Tony, and luckily he replied to us. We shared ideas in a call, and he decided to visit our office during his trip to Taipei. We are extremely honored to have Tony on our advisory board. Tony and I had a long discussion regarding cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, government regulation, and his vision for future aligned with ours. We agree that the future of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology is bright, but the national and international regulations are needed to protect retail investors. Tony has led some of the biggest and most admired companies in the world. This is an exciting opportunity, and COBINHOOD is benefiting massively from Tony's experience and knowledge.
Wow. Okay. So it sounds like you've really got a team behind you, and with your entrepreneurial history, looks like it's the winning team. So listen, you touched on it just before. You said that cryptocurrency trading had many issues because you yourself were a day trader. Look, there's dozens, if not hundreds, potentially of active cryptocurrency exchanges currently operating. Where exactly do they all fall short?
Okay, so current exchanges platforms is deeply flawed. First, the high fees. The top 30 cryptocurrency exchanges on average charge 0.2% fee for both makers and takers, which can significantly reduce profit margins of traders. Second, the unexpected downtime. Current platforms are prone to shut down without warning. In 2014, Mt. Gox encountered a serious technical failure, resulting in trading halts. The value of Bitcoin plummeted from 260 USD to 110 USD. This made Kraken shut down 3 times in a single day. A third asset security issue. Cryptocurrency trading platforms hold a large amount of cryptocurrency deposits, making them attractive and obvious target of hackers. In 2014, Mt. Gox was breached and lost about 650K Bitcoin, and in August 2016, Bitfinex was hacked also and lost 120K Bitcoin. Moreover, Robinhood is not just an exchange, but also featuring comprehensive financial instruments. We will be the premier crypto financial center of the future.
Okay, wow. So look, you've got lofty goals and a good, strong team behind you. So what exactly are you guys doing differently? We'll talk about zero trading fees, but you talked about security breaches and other issues. What's the difference? What is Robinhood really doing?
Yeah, that's a good question. We aim to build a cryptocurrency service platform for the blockchain era. Our first service will be a zero trading fee exchange, and only Robinhood is able to process millions of orders per second and high-frequency trading on crypto assets. Robinhood provides the best quality of service among all competitors and will allow multiple fiat currencies to be traded on Robinhood exchange platform in the near future. Moreover, Robinhood provides ICO underwriting service. It is more like a consulting service, which aims to help traditional companies migrate from current centralized application paradigm to the decentralized future. The ICO tokens underwritten by us will be immediately tradable on Robinhood's exchange, solving the liquidity issue. Robinhood will launch more financial products and services in the future. For example, crypto assets trading with stocks, commodity, market indices, and futures. In addition, Robinhood will also launch cryptocurrency wallet and retail payment services. Also, we are going to live in a world of Internet of Chains. Interoperated protocol between different blockchains is the future. Robinhood is working on such a protocol to allow all interchain transactions to achieve instant settlement. We are not just an exchange platform for the blockchain. Think of us as the crypto Wall Street. A blockchain we are building has multiple different applications on top of it.
So it sounds like Robinhood is looking to become a genuine financial services company rather than just an exchange. It's a novel approach, and we're looking forward to seeing what happens. Now, I just want to talk a bit more about zero trading fees. Okay, I mean, how can you offer them? How does Robinhood actually make money? I mean, listen, you're an entrepreneur. You've made lots of money in your time. Surely you wouldn't be building something without the goal of making money.
Yeah, so that's a very interesting question, right? Because we are charging zero fees. How do we make money? And the answer is that we provide margin trading loans up to 10x leverage, and the loans will be subject to interest rate. Furthermore, in the future, we will provide ICO underwriting service, and we will charge a certain percentage of the tokens underwritten by us.
Okay, so I mean that clears up it's an opportunity for you guys to offer the regular retail trader on the street possibly the best trading environment without having to, I guess, without having to make it almost cripplingly expensive to trade. So, look, you mentioned also before about the liquidity issue and having a solution from that through your own tokens. So, listen, your ICO has been live for over a month now. How's it been going?
So far, COBINHOOD has raised 20 million US equivalent of Ethereum. We are not doing ICO for fundraising as we already have sufficient funds on building an amazing cryptocurrency platform. COB is a utility token. COBINHOOD will launch its very first service, a zero trading fee cryptocurrency exchange in November, and COB tokens will be immediately tradable on the exchange.
So, I mean, it's clear that these COBs, these new coins are going to be integral to COBINHOOD's success. I mean, just can you expand on just how important the issue of these tokens are to making sure COBINHOOD reaches the places you want it to reach?
Okay, so COB token is a utility token. It will be immediately tradable on the exchange, and it plays an important role in the COBINHOOD economic system. We are offering several privileges to COB holders, including 50% off margin trading loan interest when used on COBINHOOD exchange. Another privilege is that ICO participants can get ICO tokens underwritten by us at a lower rate. COBINHOOD aims to build a cryptocurrency ecosystem, and we will launch more financial products and services in the future. For example, crypto asset trading with stocks, commodity, like I said before. In addition, COBINHOOD will also launch cryptocurrency wallet and retail payment services.
Okay.
More and more privileges for COBINHOOD token will be announced in the near future.
Sounds like you've got a lot of work ahead of you. So, look, in the immediate future, there's a roadmap, there's a plan, and you're going to finish your ICO and then head to market and start cornering it, hopefully. But what's the long term? What's the 5-year plan for COBINHOOD?
Okay, our ICO will be closed on October 22nd. We have definite short-term plans, and our long-term plan are evolving and boundless because the rapid changing nature of this industry. Currently, we are working on our first service, the zero trading fee cryptocurrency exchange, and we schedule to launch it in November. In December, we target to launch margin trading, margin funding, and fiat support. We are proactively communicating with local banks for this milestone. Lots of ICO projects came to us for the details of our upcoming service, the ICO underwriting service, and we have started discussing and planning. ICO underwriting service will be officially launched in 2018. Currently, the exchange is a centralized platform which can process millions of orders per second for every trading pair and under some millisecond latency. Moving forward, a decentralized exchange will be live. We target to launch this new platform in second quarter next year. COBINHOOD will launch more financial derivatives and services in the future. For example, crypto asset trading with stocks, commodity, and futures. In addition, we will launch cryptocurrency wallet and retail payment service. Also, the fiat-based banking system will migrate to crypto-based corporate and consumer finance are all anticipated.
So that really fits into your goal of genuinely being a financial services company rather than just a cryptocurrency exchange. Listen, we look forward to seeing the progress of COBINHOOD over the next few years. So look, at Investing.com, we've talked over the last few months to a number of top visionaries in the cryptocurrency and blockchain world. We've published different articles and interviews. I would love to hear from you. listen, where is all this heading? What's your vision for the blockchain-based future economy?
Yeah, so we have faith in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology and aim to shape the future economy through cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a comparatively new idea to the general public, but as you can see, Bitcoin was officially recognized by Japan and Australia government. Meanwhile, Japan issued J-coin. The US has its USD Tether, and Swisscoin is available in 6 banks in Switzerland. The trend is unstoppable, and the world economy is gradually migrating from fiat-based to cryptocurrency. Crypto assets banking system is highly anticipated. We will have increased earnings for crypto bank deposit like in the fiat banking system. We believe that in the near future, you can easily buy a Coke, buy a COB token, or other cryptocurrencies in a convenience store. I believe that cryptocurrency will replace physical legal tender like bills and coins in the future. All fiats will transfer to cryptocurrency. Maybe we will have Taiwan dollar tether, euro tether too.
Well, okay. So listen, we look forward to seeing just what part Robinhood plays in that future economy. It sounds like you're off to a really good start, and from what you said, you've got, I think, 3 days left of the ICO. So I would urge everyone to check out COBINHOOD.com. In the link below. Also, there's a link to learn more and read more about COBINHOOD on Investing.com. You'll be able to then find more information, get involved, check out the ICO. We look forward to hearing again from you soon, Popo, to get an update, see how everything went, and we'll definitely keep in touch. Look out for more news on Investing.com about COBINHOOD. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll speak to you again soon.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Appreciate your time for this interview.